Hello everyone. Now this is one real case study for Western Digital, and we have entered the software and checked the module list. All the firmware modules are okay, and we have backup all the firmware modules. Only one firmware module, the module 148, is corrupted. So we have shift right click and shift the module to one new track, and we can see new track is negative track 70, and we have found one donor module 148 and write and then clear this module 148. Then we just execute the firmware restart. Now we can try to restart the software without power on the pension drive. Now let's try to check the drive again, and we can see here's module list. Now let's try to check if the module 148 has been repaired or not. Double click and we can see this is module 148. We can try to clear. Now let's try to access to the data arrow. Okay, now we can see the data arrow is accessible. Before this one, it's full of red blocks, it's all bad sectors. And now we can see just a few bad sectors. Okay. It just becomes a little snow, but just a few bad sectors. And after this one, and it's accessible. So this is the module 148 issue. After we get the donor module 148 and write it, and now we can get access to the data. Now we can check the data by DFO DDP, data recovery equipment.